press the button.
Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. What was that? Okay, so I played this a long time ago, and what just happened? Ah! Don't go in there. You're gonna die. Don't go in there. Thanks.
My God.
You're all gonna die. You're all gonna die. That flamingo wants. Okay. I was a poor. Holy smack. Okay. We're safe. We're safe. Oh, oh! You just said I was poor because you had no stupid that robot. Come on, who climbing? Oh, now we start. Oh, another parkour, huh? I wonder how parkour mania. Do the jump. Yes. Parkour masters can do that, but I'm a little bit slow. I'm pretty bad to them. I'm a big fan of Ryan, like or yeah.
Come on, go in here and press myself. When you're wrong, jump. Please.
Okay. I almost did a jump. Let's try again. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh! Oh no, we're gonna lose. No! Still the thing. Now what? Okay, I'm press this button. Yes! Great job on the survivors. Thank you, Mama.
Get this big bling bling. Come on, get some if you want Robux, this is
Oh no, Baldi's basics. What do you mean? Oh! Alam niyo ba guys, pag naslap kayo ni Baldi, yung mukha parang parang boring. Katulad nung babaeng to. No! I can do that. How to make Baldi in Roblox Google. Come on. Oh no, push the ball.
just push it.
Run everywhere. Okay. Easy as that. Give me the gem. Bye. Okay, don't go in there. You're gonna explode, my man.
That's a lot of damage.
Oh, that girl is dead. This is my favorite. What do you do here? Also, you need to try to survive. Okay, I survived. Also, you need to touch. Give me that. Tsunami come. Okay, interesting, huh?
Interesting.
Okay, too fast. And then you died. Okay, guys. Thanks for sponsoring about dying. Thanks for sponsoring of dying people. Don't be. Okay, it's done. Oh! Awesome Girl FS, shout out to you. Have the support. So avoid until the round ends. Oh, this is pretty easy because I got a speed coil. Just even that makes sense. Oh, see. Roxy, goodbye, people. It's on itself. Oh, we're on space, buddy. Woo! Don't fall up to. Don't get too far in the map. This girl knows about. She got the Karen, boy. She got the Karen's hair. Like Karen. Okay, we got 5 minutes in the video. She got the hair, boy. Go, you're rocking. She's okay. This is probably gonna be pretty easy because I got this jumpers again.
Come on, color the world. Yo.
Okay, never touch the wall, anything. That's the stupidest thing in Minecraft. Hey, pay attention. Why I'm dying, boy? Why I just die by there? Now I'm spawned here. Boy. Now I just spawned here and chilling. Come on. No. Come on, press the button. I wanna press the button. Holy cow. Don't quit. Okay. Okay, just die. How is that pre? Okay, so okay. Okay, next. Come on, press the button. Press the button. Press the button. We got 6 minutes in the video. How easy is that? Okay, bye. That guy is literally AFK. Like, look at this. This Roblox guy. Thank you. Like the video, guys, and subscribe if you're new. Okay. This guy is AFK.
First stealer.
What? Okay, bye. Oh, you didn't get it. Just hide. Yeah. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die 100%. Okay, bye. Wait, where'd they spawn? Oh, he's on the top.
Holy cow.
Holy shit. Okay. Come on. Get some fun stuff. This guy is literally AFK. Blondion the chef is making ingredients to bake a cake. Go find them by parkour course. This is easy now.
Second. Pag you get the milk.
That's it. Then what? What the heck is that? Hey! Give me that old piece of cake, my man. Yummy. Thank you, chef. This guy is always AFK. Like, bro, what's happening to you, my man? Oh. Okay, now I'm not gonna jump because that will straight to the void again. I need to cover this up.
I need to cover around these parts.
Now he's not AFK. There we go. Oh no, they're blocking the whole world. No. I don't need a shout out. I need a shout. Let's go. Okay, the Roblox guy is in AFK. Let's go. Oh! No, we're lost. One victory royale. What was that? Quick, get to the what? What it? I'm literally. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching and bye bye. Wait. This is the perfect time. Bye bye.